How to access your Facebook account after being logged out. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app and head towards the login page. Once you're on the login page, click on the option of Forget Password. Then, type in your mobile number or email address that is linked with your account to recover your account. I'm gonna use email address. Various options will appear: phone number and email address. Select the option in which you want to get the code, then click on continue. With that, you will be receiving code. Then you have to type in the code. Once you type in the code, you will be directed to next page where you'll need to generate new password for your account. With that, you will get access to your account. Or else what you can do is launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Facebook support. Type in Facebook support chat, then navigate to this one website option, facebook.com/help. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now at the top right, you'll see this search icon. Type in recover account over there. The fun options will appear. Scroll down, navigate to this one topic. My Facebook account is logged and I'm not getting phone or email codes when trying to confirm my account. Go to this article and then click on this option of learn more. Now here you're gonna get two options. If you have access to the email or phone number that is linked with your Facebook account, you can click on this option of reset or password. If you no longer have access to your account, email address or phone number, you can click on the option of can't access, or else you can click on the option of account has been hacked. As we have already tried the first method, you can try next one, that is hacked account. So you can click on this website option, click on forget password and go through the process. By this, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily access your Facebook account after being logged out. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.